Welcome. In this updated tutorial, we will show you how to access the settings on Snapchat. Follow these steps to customize your Snapchat experience. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page within the app. Next, look for the gear icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon to enter the settings menu on Snapchat. By tapping on your profile icon and then the gear icon, you can easily access and navigate through the settings options on Snapchat. Here, you can adjust various settings such as notifications, privacy, and account preferences to tailor your Snapchat experience to your liking. These simple steps allow you to view and manage the settings on Snapchat efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide assists you in exploring and customizing the settings on Snapchat. Dive into the settings menu to make your Snapchat experience uniquely yours.